Hello students, welcome back. So now we'll start the second part of the story. So we have already seen that the twin sisters were demanding or requesting Mr. Ashok Bhatt to make their great grandfather laugh. So next what happened, he's trying to do so. My father who served in World War II was once asked, "Did you ever kill anyone?" And he replied in a soft voice, "Probably I was the cook." So Ravikant, I hope the cooks are under a surveillance, Ashok said. Jacob Johnson, an ex-serviceman himself, roared with laughter at once. So now in the course of making the great grandfather laugh, Ashok Bhatt is cracking out many jokes now. So now what joke has he cracked? He said that his father was in World War II. He served in World War II. So when he was asked that have you killed anyone ever because you were in war, so have you killed? So he replied that no, my father was a cook. So he probably didn't kill anyone basically. Okay, because it is not necessary that if you have gone in a war then you have to kill somebody. You may be appointed for any different purpose. So when Ravikant was standing there, so Ashok said that, "Okay, Ravikant, I hope your cooks are under surveillance, because surveillance means they are under a close supervision. I hope that they are under a close supervision and they don't kill anybody." And Jacob, whose anniversary was there and he was also an ex-serviceman, he just started laughing because it was a joke for them. Okay. All the while, Ashok kept an eye on the great grandfather, but the old man was not moved by the humor that had everyone wiping their tears or holding their sides from the ache brought on by uproarious laughter. "This is such an emotional moment for everyone," he said. "Even the cake is in tears." The children rolled on the floor laughing. So now all the time this Ashok Bhatt, whenever he was cracking joke, he was just looking at the great grandfather because it was the request to make him laugh, right? So but there was no sign of any laughter on the face of the great grandfather. So what was the next joke that he cracked? That everybody was laughing so much that seeing the cake, what did he say? That, "Oh, what an emotional moment this is. Even cake is in tears." Okay, tears means on the levels. But everybody was laughing and the tears are coming out. So he said that, okay, the cake is also in tears. Right? So again, this was the joke and everybody started roaring out with laughter. Everybody was laughing and children were laughing on the floor. It was so funny. Ashok went on till he was hoarse and furiously funny, but he never moved the old man. Never a ghost of a smile, and never a suspicion of moisture in the eyes. He was astounded. Fortunately for Ashok, dinner was announced. Now, whenever he was cracking any joke, he was just looking at the great grandfather. So, there was not a single grin on the face. Okay, everybody was laughing out of laughter. It was so funny, everybody was in tears, but there was not a single moisture in the eyes of the great grandfather. Means everybody was in tears because of the laugh, but not a single smile on great grandfather. So he was very amazed. Why? Because everybody was laughing, but his grandfather, he was not laughing at all. He was not even smiling. So he was also feeling a little bad and little amazed that when everybody is laughing, why is he not laughing? Right? So, but for fortunately means luckily dinner was announced and now everybody took some break. Later that evening, Ravikant offered to drive the guest entertainer home. So Ravikant asked Ashok Bhatt that, "Okay, I'll drop you home. You are our guest and we'll drop you home." So he commented about the side-splitting songs and jokes he shared and the extra effort he put into entertain the family. So when Ravikant was dropping him home, so he was talking that thank you so much. You have made our evening very entertaining and thank you for everything. Thank you for making everybody laugh so much. "All in a day's work," said Ashok, humbly accepting the praise. "But I had a good reason. Those adorable twins asked me to try and make great grandfather laugh." But so what happened? that he is saying that thank you, you are praising me so much, it is all in a good mood, it is my work routine, but I am not happy. Why? Because your twins asked me to make your grandfather laugh, but he could say anything else. So Ravikant just said something. Now what did Ravikant say? Ravikant was slammed. What? He the brakes and pulled over the slide, guffawing. Okay, so Ravikant, when this Ashok Bhatt said that I was trying to make your great grandfather laugh, so he just slammed. He just stopped the car at once. Why? Why do you laugh? Is he blind and deaf? Ashok asked apologetically. So he just said that why didn't your great grandfather laugh? Is he alright? Is he deaf? Is he cannot see? That is why he didn't laugh. Yes, I mean, no. That was a wax model of grandpa. We got it made for the family photograph. And what happened? When this Ravikant revealed that it was not our great grandfather, he had died years ago, and it was just the wax model. Okay, it was just a statue of our great grandfather because we wanted him to be the part of the ceremony. So we put that model. It was not real grandfather. And seeing this, Ashok was speechless. That was first time for him. Okay, and then what happened? Obviously, Ashok was a singer, he was a comedian, he would never be speechless. It is his job to speak, okay? But for the first time in his life, somebody has made joke on him only. He had came there to make their evening enjoyable one. It was, but still, he was bluffed by the two twins in their family. So, this was the story. He was trying to make a wax model laugh entire evening. Okay, thank you everyone.